Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to update the sell value of each WooCommerce product. So if you have collected all the details of your WooCommerce products in a Google Sheet and want to update those details or that specific sell value whenever an order is created, then you can use this automation. This automation that we are going to create using Pabbly Connect will integrate these two applications, WooCommerce and Google Sheets. And in this integration, our trigger will be the new order created in WooCommerce and our action will be to update sell value in Google Sheet. Let us learn how to do that. So in this video, we will learn how can you update your Google Sheets sell value whenever an update is made on the product sale of any WooCommerce product. So let us quickly sign in into our account. So that I will reach this place where I can see all the applications provided by Pabbly, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect to create the automation that we are talking about. So click on Access Now, which will take me to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Reaching here, you can see a big blue button on your right side where it's written Create Workflow. Click on the button and give a suitable name to your workflow. I'm going to name it as Update Sell Value for each WooCommerce product. Click on create and then a blank workflow will be created for you like you're able to see it on your screen. You have two windows named as trigger and action windows, and you're given this plus button to add more action steps to your workflow. Now, so the trigger application will be the first application where the event will take place. Manually, you are going to make that change. And the action application is where lastly the action will be performed automatically. Make sure that you have opened your WooCommerce website and also a spreadsheet where you have all the details of the products, the product ID and the sale till now that you might have gained. So let us begin with the workflow. The trigger application in this work is WooCommerce because the change in the status of the product will be made from this website. The event over here will be new order created. So the whole motive of creating this workflow is, for example, in your spreadsheet, you have the sale of this hammer as 900 rupees. And the price of this product is, here is the hammer and the price is 450 rupees, which means that 450 is the price and two hammers have been sold till now. And if one more hammer is sold, so this sale will be changed to 900 and that next 450 added to it. So this kind of changes are to be updated in this spreadsheet for these products. You can make the list of all the products. This is a dummy workflow and that is why I have created just 3 products for now. So whenever an order will be created for any specific product, if you say we are talking about this washing machine from LG, the price is this and the ID is this. So let us create an order for that. But for that, we need to make sure that Pabbly Connect and WooCommerce are connected in such a way that whenever an order is created over here for any specific product, the data and the details should be sent over here as a response captured. So let us use this webhook URL to connect our WooCommerce and Pabbly Connect. You need to follow these instructions given to you. We are going to follow these as well. So go to your WooCommerce store, go to settings in the menu from the left panel. Here you will find advanced, the last second option in your menu. And then you have to find this webhook written over here. Open this page and here you have to add a webhook. Click on add webhook. Give a name to your webhook. I am going to add it as product update is the name. The status, make it to active. The topic is order created. And the delivery URL will be this webhook that you are getting over here. Copy this webhook. And you will notice that as soon as you copy this webhook, it starts waiting for a webhook response. So paste this here. You can leave the secret section empty and click on save webhook. Now the webhook has been created. Save it here. And then you can go back to your products, all products. And since it is waiting for a response, it has captured the confirmation of the created webhook. So you have to recapture the webhook. And now when it starts waiting, you have to go to your products and create a purchase. So we were talking about washing machine. So let us quickly click on view, add to cart. And then if you have to apply a coupon or any changes that you need to make, you can do that. And then come down here to proceed to checkout. See, since I've been using this application, so my details as a customer have been already saved over here. Click on place order and your order has been received. Checkout is done, which means that the sample application has already been done. Now we are waiting for a webhook response. It will arrive in just some seconds. And here we have received the response. You can see, scroll down this long list of responses that you have received from WooCommerce. And here we have the name, the ID of the shipping ID, then we have the address, we have the customer details over here. And in this line only, you will have the line items product ID. This is something which is very important. You can see it is the same as present over here. 59803 is the one. All right. So we are going to use this to locate this product in our spreadsheet. So once this is done, we have received the details of the WooCommerce product. Now we have to look up in the spreadsheet, which means our next application is going to be Google Sheets. Lookup is used for the purpose that you are going to find the detail that were over here in the trigger response in the action application, that is over here. All right. So the event over here will be lookup spreadsheet rows. Click on connect, add new connection, sign in with your Google account, choose your account and click on allow. The accounts are connected now. Now select the name of your spreadsheet and your sheet. The name is WooCommerce. And since we have only one sheet over here, so it will automatically be selected as one sheet. Now what column you have to look up to? So the names can be similar, the sale could be similar, but the product ID is the unique column over here. So we will enter over here as B. Column B is the one that we need to look up into. All right, lookup value. So what is the lookup value? You have to locate it by typing in the search and map data line and product ID. So scroll down and find your product ID. This is the product ID. You have to find this value. All right. So make sure you map it from the trigger application response so that every time the product changes, the ID will change and it will be located with the help of this ID in this spreadsheet. Now we want to include headers and all, so you can keep it, leave it as it is. Click on save and send test request and wait for the response from the action application. And it's done. And these are the details that have been received. All right, now this is done. We have received that right now the sale for this product is 85 rupees. Now we will add the newly placed order. Right now it's 85. We will add the new sale to it and the final price will be visible by the end of the workflow. So we will add one more thing over here. The next action application is going to be number formatter. Now number formatter is a feature that is built inside Pabbly and it is used to perform any mathematical operation or any formatting that is needed to be done to a number. So here you will perform maths operation. Click on connect. Now it does not require a separate way of connection because it is a feature built inside Pabbly itself. The number you will choose over here, you have to place the number with separated by a comma. Okay, and the operation that you want to perform on them will be chosen from this drop down menu. So the first number is what is already present in your Google Sheet, that is this, and put a comma and then you will enter the new sale over it. So what is the amount for new sale? It's this. So you can enter this over here. So this is the new sale and this is the existing sale. What you have to do? Add. Okay, you can choose other applications, but for this workflow we need to add this. Once you've chosen the operation, click on save and send test request and it will be performed. This is the final sale. Now we need to update this value on our Google Sheets spreadsheet as well. So add the last action application here. Choose your application as Google Sheets and this time the event will be update cell value. So the event is update cell value. Click on connect and this time you don't need to follow the add new connection method because you've already chosen Google Sheets in this workflow, so you can keep it to select existing connection. Click on save and they are connected. Now again select your spreadsheet, the name is WooCommerce and the sheet name will be selected on its own because we have just one sheet. Choose the range what column has to be updated. So first you will choose the column name, that is C over here. Column C needs to be updated. So enter column C and then they need the row index as well. So the row index will be received from the Google Sheets. Here this is the row index given to you. Once this is done, the value that has to be mapped over here or updated over here will be taken from the number formatter after adding the existing sale and the new sale. So this is the result. Click on save and send test request and it is updated. How many rows updated? 1. How many column and how many cell? 1. Which means that one single change was required, was the change in the column or the cell of the new sale updated. So we have completed the workflow. Let us quickly check our Google Sheet and here it's updated. Earlier it was 85, now it is 170. So every time a new purchase is made on any of these products, then it will be first of all taken up or brought into this workflow, then added to the new sale, and then in the end updated, the sell value will appear over here. So this was the whole workflow. I hope this helped.
Not just these applications, but you can integrate many other applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any issue regarding Pabbly, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any doubts regarding our pricing, then you can connect us through this given website. If you found this video helpful in any way, then make sure to share this with your friends and colleagues to make their life easier by creating automations. We will meet in the next video. Till then, do not forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.